So hello guys, welcome back to our channel Leo's Gaming. So today we are bringing you guys PUBG Mobile. We did not play it in a while, but today we are playing it as we just thought of uploading something different as we've been uploading Call of Duty mobile videos. So Advait might not be able to talk in the lobby, and he's changed his name. He's like Kraken Brat 170. Uh-huh. So he has some network problem. Hey, can you talk, Advait? I can hear you though, like background music. Yeah, no, Advait check. Advait, he literally pranked me so bad right now. He told me that, bro, I cannot talk to you during the lobby, bro. All of that you're stealing. So let's just go inside the Livik map, and then we'll play the new gun game mode. Like we'll just show it to you guys.
No, yeah.
And so basically we thought of doing like a whole gun game video, but like only gun game would be like kind of boring also, like because like I'm sure many of you guys have tried it. It's quite a good gun game mode, like not that great also, like it is not like a game mode which you can play very often because it does take quite a lot of time. I'm not sure if it takes as much time as the TDM though, but the TDM is fun. Like the team deathmatch.
And
Shit.
if you guys don't know that our Call of Duty top 5 SMG video is gonna come fast.
Yeah, totally. But otherwise, we just gave you a little spoiler about that before, but it is fine. And
Comment down which SMG you like.
yeah, exactly. Like no, right now you're doing a PUBG video, but why do you need Call of Duty in this? Which is your favorite gun in PUBG? I am curious actually. Mine I think would either be
Siddha knows mine.
M4 and Grova, and otherwise it's surprisingly UV.
Yes.
Like UV is not a bad gun. It's like the king of
Siddha, am I
close
following you?
range. Yeah. You're surely
Okay.
following me. Let us go to Aqueduct. I've never been to that place.
Guys, if you know, Livik is the best game in PUBG because, I mean map, because I don't know, Livik is a very short game and I like short games.
And you can play it really quickly. It's not like a too long game. You have to wait and then
Like
in
Payload.
yeah classic matches like take up to 20 to 25 minutes. Like unless you're like going at the top 5 mode, like
Siddha,
at the
where are you
top.
going?
I'm down. I got a
Are
gun.
you
I got a gun. I got
crazy?
Scar. Oh, I got
Whoa,
P90.
whoa.
I'm good. I've got P90. I'm good. Guys. By the way, I like P90 a lot. As you know, it's like very good short range. Hey, Advait, there's another Scar over here. If you need ammo, I'll just mark it over here. Assemble over here. Okay. If you need more ammo, just let me know for the. You have a car? You have a car
Oh, whoa.
98k? Hold on.
don't
Just
know.
stand. Just stand. Oh yeah, you have the car
Car
98k.
98X.
Yeah.
I mean K.
Okay. Yeah. Just use it carefully. It's a bit tough to use because it's a sniper. You need a lot of concentration. Use it a bit carefully. Yeah. There's a
Oh,
scar.
let me shoot.
Scar over here. Oh
It's
damn.
not. It's actually I shot
No,
it.
that your UMP needs what is this? Oh, I got healing from this. I never knew
I
that.
think my voice is coming. It's
No,
coming much better.
yeah, but dude, look, this is like a crate, Livix crate. What is that?
What?
And bro, you need 0.45 ammo for your gun, okay? Just remember that 0.45 and 7.62 over here.
Okay, yeah, I got it.
Now you don't need to take more 7.62 because I feel 60 ammo is enough.
Yeah, 60 is enough.
At least for a sniper. At least for a sniper. But your UMP
Oh,
needs
I
more
see one.
ammo. Where?
I'm coming up now.
Where?
I'm gonna kill him, my friend.
Ah, there's a dude.
Hey.
Knocked.
Oh,
I am not showing him any mercy.
oh no.
Wait, I'll dance in front of him. Arey, don't kill him, we'll dance. Shit, we could have danced, man, but oh my god. But anyway, let us go. Hey, wait. I'm hearing footsteps. Nah, it's just you, I think. Loot is pretty decent. Like we
Oh.
have decent ammo, we have decent guns.
Yes. It's good for killing.
Yeah, like decent amount of guns for killing. Hey, is the voice
But Siddhant, you
echoing?
stole my kill.
Ah, nah, bro. I saw him first. I get the kill. Whoever sees. Arey, wait, DP. Wait, wait.
Guys, comment down below how many of you like my name.
DP.
Crack Brat.
Kraken Brat.
Yeah, I call it Crack Brat. The nickname is Crack Brat.
Then you should. Bro, actually, Crack Bat is kind of a cool name. Brat. Crack Brat.
I kept a cool name.
But, like crack. Wait, I forgot here now. You'll sustain fall damage. Wait, I'll jump in the pool. Hopefully, no damage.
I'm going.
Oh, no damage. Let's. Ooh.
I'm going straight for the pool.
Did you fall in the pool? Oh shit, you took little
Bro,
damage.
I
No?
got damaged.
Yeah, that's because you landed somewhere else, dude.
I landed first here.
Here, bro, down there is loot.
What?
Down there is loot underground.
Oh, whoa.
Look.
How do they expect
Yeah,
to come
stay
down?
up. Come up. Otherwise, you'll die through to no oxygen.
Oh,
Due to no
PUBG is
oxygen.
real realistic.
Yeah. No, bro.
Unlike
Actually, any game in COD also in Battle Royale mode, I think you die. Hey, bro, your favorite gun, UVI. Take it instead.
I love.
Your love, Bachi. Okay, wait. I'll drop you ammo for it. Come here. First, go to your backpack, guys. Don't mind other is not that great at the game, but it's just beginning. But other, go to your backpack and remove all .45 ammo. Remove all .45 ammo.
4, 5. I only have one.
Just remove it. Yeah. And here, take all of this. Take all of this 9mm. Come here. Come front.
1 minute.
Here. Yeah. Take all of it. Come on. I actually
what should I do
wanted.
for the pound 45?
I don't know. Just leave it.
Bichara .45.
I know, right? But do you have 7.6? No, wait. You need 7.62, but
I have a MK12. For that I need 7.62.
MK12.
Yeah.
No. Where is your car? No, bro. You should not have dropped your car 98 for that MK12. Go down again and pick it up instead of your MK12.
I thought MK12 is much better.
No. MK12 is an automatic sniper rifle. Automatic sniper rifles were never better than one-shot
But
sniper
using on
rifles.
can beat me.
Yeah, Uzi is actually, you're actually pretty good. I can accept that. But no, but sniper rifles with auto sniper rifles are definitely not my favorite, at least. It's because I don't know.
I don't like snipers.
Like they
Ex-
don't
in
feel like
God I like.
snipers. Yeah, right. Because you waited it. They're dudes. Advait, you're behind me, right? Yeah. Awesome. Now
Sometimes
let's.
they're camping here. We're not killing anyone.
What can we do? Sometimes you have to camp. Wait. Let us go from this place. We have to go into zone. Zone is quite far. Let's
The
remove
zone
the-
is right behind us.
Huh? Behind us. Oh, it's almost like not that far also. Alright.
Oh,
I had a
Hold on.
feeling that there was someone.
There is my friend.
Okay, he had a car 98 too. You know what? I'll just take the car 98K. Bro, now we both let us snipe. Bro, you just missed a level 3 backpack, bro. Okay, just don't approach him. Oh, wow, nice. You've gotten better with it. No, actually, I don't think you're that good with the UAV, bro.
Oh,
To be honest. Someone is shooting you.
1 minute, I can take.
Whoa. People are shooting us from nowhere.
Whoa, I'm
Come
glitched
here.
now. Oh, son, come in. Come in. Open the door.
Open! Go in! Arey, come here! Come here! Why are you going
Come
there?
here.
Come over here. Oh my god. Just go and run inside the house. Oh my god.
Where are they shooting?
I also don't know. I'm literally trying to find out. Like, just go inside the house. Run
I
inside the
have
house.
medikit.
I had an energy drink here. I'll just take it for myself. Okay, bro. Now I have to figure out.
I'm going to
Oh, I think I got to know from where if this dude's shooting. Hold on. Don't go, Advait. Please, bro. Don't go.
Okay, I'm coming.
This dude is kind of a dude.
What do
Found
you mean?
him.
This dude is kind of a dude.
Shot him,
Whoa.
Max. Okay, bro, he's not that good
Oh,
also.
I see him, I see him, I see him.
Got him.
I see him.
Got him. Oh, bro, there's another dude.
There is, I'll kill him.
Shot him. Huh? Awesome.
Oh,
There are more.
there.
That dude is running away. Killed him, killed him, killed him.
Whoa.
More? Bro, how many people
Yeah.
are there here? Hold on.
I'm getting knocked out.
Just hide. Found this dude. Bro, there are two of them. What?
Oh, whoa. What crap is going on? Oh, no. I died.
I knocked out one. Otherwise you died. Damn.
Yes. I
Shit.
had one kill.
Don't exit. Otherwise, it'll become a problem.
I believe in you.
Yeah, thanks, bro. Thanks. Oh, wow, we can get a real... Shit, zone. Crap. Oh. Bro, they're
But it's a
killing
very hard
everyone
time, bro.
brutally. Okay, hold on. I think I'll try to get in zone first.
These people are not gonna leave you.
Exactly, bro. And that's what I hate about people like them. I know, bro. These guys are literally trying to roast me, fry me in a pan and eat me up. If I can just get a one shot on these dudes, bro, I'd knocked them out once. Okay, bro, just give me a goddamn shit.
Go,
Seriously.
that's the only option.
No, I feel like there's someone else here. Yeah, there's someone else here. I can hear footsteps. You know what, bro?
Hey, I saw someone behind you.
Bro, leave all of this. I'm running away with the jeep. Bro, I think they're the last squad. I have a feeling that they're the last squad.
Yeah. Why can't I get in with you?
No, I'm not trying to get into the jeep. That's the thing. I'm thinking of taking the cover of this stone, waiting for them to come near the jeep. What I'll do, I'll puncture one of the jeep's tires.
Zone.
They'll come here for sure for the jeep.
Oh, whoa.
Now wait, I'll try to blow this guy up with the vehicle. That's my only option. I can't believe I had to stoop so low. He. Too bad, kid. Too bad, kid.
Go back.
No, bro. Literally, I cannot go anywhere. I have to just camp in these houses. I'm literally like the solo person, and there's like a duo.
If I would be there, I would have some help.
Yeah, bro. Actually, it's so tough right now. And it's. Oh wait, I have a medkit. I'll just use it up right now. Don't wanna take any chances.
This is like the longest
But bro,
limit
I
game.
swear I saw two people. Remember the people who killed you from the terrace?
Yes. They killed me like they headshot.
I have a feeling that they are still there. And they're trying to come out of zone. So wait, I'll just check in the borders of the zone. In case they are there. Because they surely are. I saw them. I knocked one of them out. Bro, where are they? It's kind of freaking me out right now. These dudes just vanished. And there was a car, I think.
Car 98.
No, car, actual car. Now, where are they is what confuses me because I hate, sudden attacks. Like, that's the worst. If I see
The
both
attack
of
is
them
from
together,
somewhere.
If I see both of them together, I'm just rolling them over with the car. I don't know. I don't care. They have to die that way. But where are they? Like, what? Like, I know it's a duo. I like because we are playing duos. It has to be a duo or both solos. If it is both solos, I might somehow manage it.
Oh,
But if it is, okay,
I'm
boy.
getting bored.
Bro, oh shit!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
They revealed the
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
location.
whoa,
They
whoa.
revealed the location. They revealed the
Relax, relax,
location.
relax.
I
It's
haven't.
not a time to drink energy drink.
I think I have a slight advantage on those two. Like, those two have revealed their location. I headshotted one so badly.
What are you doing?
You know what? Leave this. I'm just gonna rush at them as soon as possible.
The zone is coming.
Exactly. And I'm gonna stay here and I'm gonna shoot. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Dude, chill.
Whoa, whoa.
My god, are they crazy?
Use another gun.
No, wait, they have to come out now. They have to come out now. Otherwise, unfortunately, they're gonna die by zone.
You are gonna die.
No, they are. They
You have
think
to
they can pick
reveal.
a fight inside zone. But they are wrong.
I can't reload.
Look, they're coming out. It's time right now to rush at them with my jeep. This is what me and my jeep had been prepared for. To rush at them. Wait, where the hell are they? What? I swear I could see one dude over there.
This is freaking you out, no?
It's actually getting me scared. That is because they just disappeared. I think I'll go inside this house. I can hear footsteps.
God. One is dead.
Oh yeah. Also
You
1v1.
can get a chicken dinner.
Can I do it? I don't know. I'll just take an energy drink in case. What is this?
I just wish
Okay,
that we
wait.
get a chicken dinner.
Once the zone gets smaller, what I'll do, I'll go roam around with my car. It's possibly the
That is the
safest
best
way.
thing.
Where are you? Reveal your location.
If he dies because of the zone, that'll be the most prettiest thing.
What?
If he dies because of the zone, that'll be the most prettiest thing.
Totally, bro. But right now, I just want him to reveal his location so that I can blow him up with the vehicle. I don't know, bro, but he has to come out. The zone is that side. And once he comes, I'm gonna blow him up with this vehicle. Bro, that means the guy whom I had headshotted there, I think he was the guy who was third.
The zone is coming near.
Yeah.
That guy's surely gonna die.
Bro,
Oh,
where is he? I think he's in this house.
he is.
Bro,
He is. Get out. Get out.
I have a tactic, bro. I have a god level tactic. Let me hide in here and literally, bro, what is this? I'll hide in here, bro. I'm literally in center zone. He has to be down there, bro. He like has to be down there. This is like the final house.
After this, everything is gone.
Bro, he's in this house. I have a feeling that is prone somewhere in this house. Bro, how long is this match gonna go on?
Whoa.
He
You
came
have no
out.
idea to kill him. Hey, kill him! Kill him!
No!
What are you doing?
Damn, bro, I'm sorry. No, the dude
Why?
approached suddenly and had like the zone on me.
I saw him already.
What? I'm in gold 4. I
Okay.
thought.
So
Oh.
basically, this is the end of the video.
No, Advait, forgot the gun game.
Oh.
So we are just gonna play a gun game mode, and that's gonna wrap up. Kraken brat, you brat, get ready. Let's go. Okay, a diamond level dude, crown level dude. I think so. I'm just
We were
gonna.
near a chicken dinner last game.
Yeah, I'm gonna just mute off everyone. I muted everyone. Dude, this, there is a crossbow kill. You have to kill with crossbow. That's the worst, bro.
Team match. Let's go.
First point for the
Re, 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 re.
Hey.
They're killing like crazy.
Mankind.
Clear.
Amazing. Re, 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 re. Huh? Dude, these guys are like going all out. I don't think we might win this match, but let us
going
not
berserk.
lose hope.
Whoa.
Ooh, I got a nice kill.
Alright.
Push him.
No mercy.
Got him. Easy. Whoa.
I died, man.
Oh, shit. Like, these dudes were roasting us.
Target down.
Yes, seriously roasting us. Oh, whoa. I got
They
one
could
kill.
have, I think they could have easily
Only
killed me
one.
there.
Enemy down. Kill.
Oh, I got like a double kill
How?
by killing those people. Oh my god, one dude just stole my kill so badly. Oh shit!
Crying.
What is going on? I want to cry right now. Those guys are roasting my butt. But let it remain fill in the blanks.
1 minute.
Fill in the blank. Oh my god, the
You
people are
in
here.
the movie, the hero comes down by the bridge and suddenly shoots, no?
Huh? I don't have
in some action movies.
a particularly good idea on what you're talking about. But right now I just want to focus on killing these dudes.
How many kills do you have?
I have 8.
I have 4.
Good job. We have to kill these guys.
Enemy down.
Wait.
Oh shit! I have car 98 right now. It's gonna be very, very difficult for me, at least.
I am doing 6 kills now. I have 7 kills right now.
Oh, dude. These guys, bro.
Clear.
Oh, yes. Here.
Enemy down.
Oh, what? AWM? I never vouched for this. Oh, shit. Man, this is so difficult. The diamond fellow guy from his team and the diamond fellow from me, like me, are competing.
The red team is about to win.
The blue team doesn't have Larafel.
No mercy.
Woo! I'm not giving up, bro. I am not giving up. These guys are not that tougher also. Like, I have faced
But we're losing.
tougher opponents.
Whoa. I'm dying.
Target down.
Shit, dude, I'm literally doing hand-to-hand combat. Like, me and that guy are like neck to neck. Seriously, like.
Well, I'm not doing so much.
Bro, let me just get one kill, bro. Please, dude. Ah, Advait, why did you get that kill, bro? Damn it.
Dead.
Yes? Yes, 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 yes. Shit.
Oh.
Man, it's so tough with these kinds of strong competitors. Like, I hate strong competitors. They give just too much. They're like a pain. But also at the same time, it'll be a bit fun to have strong competitors. And I got him. Hooray! Car 98. Man, now I know why this dude was stuck up at 16 for so long. Not exactly for so long. Now, otherwise you'll know the pain of using that sniper. Ooh, I'm in pan in hand. I'm a pan in hand.
And the blue team.
I just want a sniper, dude. I just want a sniper, dude. And
Whoa,
it's
you have
like
a pan
game
in
over.
hand.
Yeah, and now I can. If I do the last kill, we win. Hooray! They both are targeting for me only. They both are targeting
Killing
literally
spree
for me.
the red team.
Shit, 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 shit. We cannot lose this. We cannot.
Blue team
Yes!
victory.
Yes!
Pan in hand. Pan in hand. Awesome. That was a nice game. Nice game.
We won.
We won. We won. We won. We won. We won.
Well, I didn't do so much killing.
Oh wow. Seriously, amazing game, man. Amazing game.
So, Suzanne, shall we wrap it down?
Yeah, you say the last things.
Yes, the last thing is, of course, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Exactly.
Bye.
Wait. Advait. You know the emote where you can do the emote?
Yes.
Do the buy emote. Do the buy emote. Wait.
Bye.
Yeah, there'll be like a buy emote.
Okay.
But and wait, I'll do one thing. Yay. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.